Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Messenger app and click on menu option. Tap on settings, scroll down and click on see more in account center. Tap on personal details and click on this option. Tap on this option. After that click on Facebook profile and tap on deactivate account. Just tap on continue to deactivate Messenger. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.